Hey YouTube, Texas Tank here. Listen, I'm sorry for the recent radio silence. Haven't been pumping out videos as often as I'd like to. Just trying to figure out some things in life here recently, and you know, for those of you who already know me, you know that now that I'm retired, I'm actually working here now, and it's an awesome job. I love it there, and it's pretty cool. Today I decided, you know what, I'm gonna make a video, but I'm gonna make one from a new biking trail that I found over in Lake Mead. There's a new paved trail out there that I want to try out. Looks pretty cool. And I might actually, if I have time, because it's going to be about 93 today here in Vegas. It's already getting hot. It's going to be a high 93, no clouds at all in the sky today. So it's going to be a little, a little bit warm, but we're going to have a lot of fun out there. Why don't you come along for the adventure? Hey YouTube, Texas Tank here. Finally made it to the River Mountains Loop Trail. It's a beautiful day. It's about, the sign says 87 degrees, which is not too bad right now, but it's going to hit about 91, between 91 and 93 degrees. It's a beautiful day. I love it out here. I'm going to hit one of two trails today. One's going to lead up to the, it's an unpaved path, but it leads up to these really cool railroad tunnels that they dug out years ago back in the 30s. I want to check those out today if I can. And if I have time, I'll hit the new, the freshly paved trail. It's going to be pretty cool. Let me show you what I'm looking at here. We'll do the blue trail first, then some of the red one when we get back. The historic railroad trail is a 10-mile out and back adventure. It stretches from the Lake Mead Visitor Center to Hoover Dam. On this trail, these are actually just 2 of the 5 railroad tunnels that you can pass through, and they are absolutely awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and skip over to the last tunnel and continue from there. So the biking portion of the trail ends right about there. You have to hike the rest of the way down to Hoover Dam. Good to know. Well, I'm going to turn around right here and head back. So, right at about the fourth railroad tunnel, I decided to stop and get a view of this really quick behind me. Man, it is just gorgeous out here. So you can see the marina back there with all the boats, a couple of boats coming and going, even some kayakers, and I think it's freaking awesome. It's a beautiful day out here, but I'm definitely starting to feel the heat. It's probably at maybe about 90 degrees right now. It's gonna go up to 92, but that's just a precursor for what's coming here in Vegas, which is usually at about between 105 and 115, and it's crazy. I'm gonna stop and get a snack really quick, grab some water, and then head on back this trail all the way back to the trailhead again, and then I want to take the paved road that takes kind of a long loop. This the Aventon bike that I have right here, let me just switch around real quick. The Aventon Aventure 2, great bike, man. I mean, it's a big bike for a big guy like me. I've already ridden for about maybe an hour and a half, and man, I'm telling you, I'm barely at 98% on this battery. It's just outstanding. I can't recommend this higher. It's such a fantastic bike. Woo! And man, it is just a heck of a view out here. That's why I just chose this one in particular, just to, stop, get something to eat. It's gonna be beautiful. There's even a little hiking trail that goes past this ridge right here. It's pretty awesome. I don't want to leave the bike behind, so I'm not going to take that, but maybe next time on a good hike. Let's check this out. Well, finished on my bike ride for the day. Beautiful day today. Worn out though. It's already at 93 degrees. I'm just, it's just not, I can feel it pretty bad. Dry heat. Small breeze, but it doesn't make that much of a difference. I think from here I'm going to head back down probably close to Boulder City. It's a new restaurant that I saw over there by the gas station that I want to try out, and I'm going to see how good it is. Looks really good. It's brand new, so let's go check it out.